just got out the shower. I just put my hair in a little bun, but I'm gonna brush my teeth, so yeah. Normally I don't flat iron my edges, but I'm gonna do it today for the video. Normally I use 3 products for my edges, but like when I want them to just like lay down a little bit, I use these. And like when my edges get old or like they're like a day old, I use this. I use this first because it's like an oil-based product, so it don't really hold. I just use it to hold my edges down in order for me to put the GRWM on it. I don't do nothing extra. But I seal it with GRWM. This edge booster does not hold your edges down. I don't know, the new formula doesn't. When I first started buying edge booster, it used to hold your edges down, but now it does not hold your edges down, so I don't know. Like, it turns oily like after a while, and that's annoying. Nobody wants to deal with that. So the new edge booster, it don't really last like that. Yeah, I don't do nothing extra. I just swoopity swoop. I'm gonna come back when they done. So this is how my edges look. I don't really be doing nothing. I like you. So I got mascara on, like a little bit myself. I do have a couple of dark spots because, as you can see, I be picking this and I cover it a little bit. Cover up these dark marks I got. I do fill in my brows mostly. And this is where I feel like it looks bald. They probably look shitty as fuck on camera, but I really don't care because I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying home, so whatever. And I really don't be trying to like put product on my eyebrows. And this isn't a makeup channel anyway, so I don't care. After I do that, I go back in with more eyebrow mascara and I clean it up. And yeah, my lips was looking a little crusty in the previous shot, so I had to put lip gloss on. And then later, I'm going to, I'm getting packages in from Amazon, so I'm gonna do an unboxing with those. I'm gonna show you guys like me putting down the rugs and unboxing new polishes that I got, and I'm going to be putting those up as well. So stay tuned. Got my package. This is the package I was talking about unboxing. So I'm about to see what's in here. I really pray that everything is in here. So these are 2 rugs. These are all cat eye polishes. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Look. So I got all these. I know this brand is really good because I do have reflective gels in this brand. Same brand. So I know this brand is gonna be so good. Okay, so I'm gonna open this stuff and see how it looks. I'm gonna set you guys up and then we're gonna see what we're gonna do. It's all folded up in here, so I hope that it doesn't mess with the way that it's supposed to lay flat. It's huge. So this is how it looks laid out. I got it to lay like flat. I just took my feet and like ran it across it like this, and it kind of flattens it out a little bit. So I'm not really worried about the squares on it, but it looks really cute. And I'm going to put it right under this table because I do have the polishes back there and I don't want to drop polishes on the carpet. So I'm gonna have this to protect my carpet. Okay, so I got it up under there. It took some work. I'm tired. And this is going to go under my pedicure station. Open. See how this one looks. Ooh. This one is so cute. I'm going to put it right here. So now I will be swatching these cat eye polishes. There's 6 colors. It's for Model 1s. So let's get that out. Comes with 6 colors. Now I'm going to swatch on this stick. This is how the color looks. It's pretty silver. I love how fine the magnet polish is.